When tire technicians have the opportunity to perform brake service, doing the job thoroughly and correctly is critical. In this video, we talk about some key areas to focus on during a brake job. Before any brake job is performed, it's important to carefully clean and prepare mounting hardware. Don't install new pads where old ones sat. Thoroughly clean caliper bracket slides to remove rust and debris, and use brake cleaner and nylon brushes to avoid damaging protective coatings. Always lubricate caliper guide pins during pad changes on floating calipers. Clean pins with solvent, then apply fresh caliper grease. This prevents uneven pad wear from binding. Avoid using impacts to remove pins, as it can damage protective plating. And never reinstall torn boots. Completely replace them. It's also important to closely inspect new pads before installing as well. Confirm you have the correct application by verifying the part number, and check pad orientation to make sure the friction material faces the rotor. Pads installed backward cause rapid wear and braking noise, so taking a minute to double check will avoid any comebacks. Don't forget to reference OEM torque specs and use a torque wrench for all bolts. Customers demand OE performance after service, so maintaining OEM specs is important for any job. Clamp loads vary greatly, from 30 to over 100 foot-pounds depending on the vehicle. Correct torque ensures proper function without damage. These areas for attention may seem basic, but overlooking any of them can cause comebacks or, even worse, safety issues for your customers. Technicians should develop consistent, repeatable processes focused on quality and precision during any job, especially brake jobs. Consulting OEM service procedures is recommended to ensure nothing gets missed. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.